Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. So today I share you new Morse code 1 million coins. So the code is Gamify, Gamefi. So first G mm, one long press, another long press and one dot. G dot and shit. Long press, another long press and one dot. Why he is not working? It is long press, another long press and one dot. What is this? Long press, another long press and one dot for G. G's. What is this? G, then dot and long press. A, then two long press. 1, 2. M, then one tap for E, then tap tap, one long tap and one tap. F, and then two single taps. Gamify.